What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel. Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today is a totally different video. A video I wish I would never have to post about. Today is April 10th. It's a Sunday. On Friday, April 8th, my son, Bubba, if y'all been on my video for a while or on my channel for a while, you've seen him. You know Bubba. And he was actually in a motorcycle accident Friday night on his way home from work. A lady pulled out in front of him, and he was not able to dodge her. Right now, he's actually in the hospital. He is going through a lot. When we actually got the phone call, he actually called me and told me what was going on. So we rushed to the scene, but he was already taken by ambulance to the hospital. So once we got to the scene, he was already gone, but the wife, Mello, and my mom went to the hospital. Me and my dad stayed at the scene to try to go ahead and get the bike released to us. It was amazing as far as how calm Bubba was when he called me. I didn't find out the extent of his injuries until Meyer got to the hospital and called me and told me. So as soon as he got there, they had to rush him into surgery. He ended up having to have his foot amputated. With that being said, other than that and a little bit of road rash, my son's okay. I was really upset that, or not upset, but sad that knowing what he's gonna have to be going through right now, and with it was his right foot they had to amputate.
The challenges he's gonna have to deal with in the future.
So it's rough, man. It's rough, but knowing that was the extent of his injuries, we were super blessed. He is blessed. He had angels watching over him that evening, because it could have been a lot worse. Like I've told everybody just here recently that's come to visit him. By the way, everybody that's come to visit him, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Everybody that's reached out to us in the community, friends and family, thank y'all so much. We really appreciate it. It means a lot. And but like I've told everybody, man, I'm glad the call that I got was Bubba actually calling me, telling me what was happening, and not a phone call saying that my son was in a motorcycle accident and he didn't make it. That's the rough part, man. Knowing that it could have been that, right? So my son's supposed to get married in October to his beautiful fiance Gracie, and so there's a challenge there. Of course, my son is a hard worker, and so he is the breadwinner of his family right now, and so he's going to be out of work for a while, and trying to deal with that. Still trying to keep his financial responsibilities that he has, and you know, it's going to be rough for him. It's going to be I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know how long it's going to be before he's able to go back to work. We're going to be there. And so again, all of y'all that have sent your prayers and your thoughts to us, out to our family, we appreciate it. And out to Bubba, man. He's doing good. He does have a surgery tomorrow, and which is Monday. And so we'll be there for him for that. They're going to go back in and actually look to make sure they don't have to amputate any higher. They tried to save as much as they could, but it was pretty bad. So, but again, no head injuries, no internal injuries, no other broken bones, road rash, and this foot. So, like I said, he was talking to me. He called me personally to tell me what was going on, all calm. And so, you know, very blessed in that aspect. So what we've done, knowing that everything that he's going to have to go through and the stuff he's going to have to face from here on out, Mello has actually set up a GoFundMe for Bubba and his fiance to try to help kind of relieve some of the stress of the financial stress he's going to be going through. And so that link will be down below, man. If you can, anything will help. If you feel it in your heart to donate, we'd greatly appreciate it. The family would greatly appreciate it, and I know Bubba and Gracie would greatly appreciate it as well. We've actually already started it, so those that have already donated, man, thank y'all so much. It means so much to us knowing that he has friends and family that love him so much that are willing to help him out, man. So it means a lot.
Also, even though we have a GoFundMe, if you would like to donate through Zelle or Cash App, just contact us and we'll give you that information as well.
Yeah, so we can do that also. So the link is not only here on this video, but you can go to my Instagram at knucklestv. It'll be there in my bio. You just have to click the link. It'll take you straight to his GoFundMe. And then it's also on Facebook. So if there's the GoFundMe link is there as well. Not only on my Facebook, but Myra's as well. We plan on trying to do something later on, maybe some kind of fundraiser event to also try to help him out. We'll try to get that planned out later on. Right now, we're just trying to get him through the surgery. He's gonna have a ton of medical bills, man. Try to get him home and get him started on his recovery. So just know that somebody pulled out in front of him, and he was coming home from work, man. It can happen. It can happen to anybody. So even though it's happened to us, we still know that we're super blessed, and we still know that God is watching over us, and he's gonna get us through this, get Bubba through this. It's not gonna bring Bubba down, and it's not gonna slow him down one bit at all. So if you know Bubba, you already know. You know what I'm saying? So he's a strong kid, man. He's 22 years old, strong young man, and he's ready to get back out there. So I appreciate it, kinfolk. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me or Mello. Again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much in advance if you end up donating or just reaching out to us. Thank you. We appreciate it. We really do. So I'll give updates. Follow me on Instagram. I'll give you some updates, and we'll go from there. So we appreciate it. Me and Mello really, really appreciate it. So we love all y'all, man. Thank you very much.